Makadiko Mbira music community. Welcome to the Mbira radio show. I'm your host, Joel LaViolette, and I'm happy to bring you some old classics as well as some brand new Mbira music. Thanks so much to the patrons over at patreon.com/Mbira for making this radio show possible. Let's get this dance party started. All right, this first song we're going to start with is by the venerable Mbira Narira, and this is from their album Kuchka Kwe Nzeve. We recorded this back in 2000. I had the pleasure of bringing them into the Shed studio, which used to be there in Harare. And so one of the main lyrics in this song, they sing, Wona Taiva Ziva Kare, which means we used to know them a long time ago. And then the response, they say, Vaifamba ne mota. So they used to travel in a car, Vagere Jakanaka. They lived very well. So this is a song about someone who used to have, maybe more abundance than they do now. They used to have more possessions than they do now. They used to live better than they do now. So enjoy this song, Taiva Zivakare by Mbira Narira.